All right, everyone, I have a Sam's Club haul for you. I did choose to go back to Sam's Club. I could not resist the temptation after watching everybody else's videos. We always did like our Sam's Club membership. I just always hated Sam's Club and Costco. But we are very brand specific with a couple of our Costco items. Let me know in the comments below if you have a membership to Costco and Sam's. So here we go. I picked up a panettone. We've went through about 3 of these. This is an Italian cake, Italian tradition. So this will be for Christmas morning. Eggs were a really good buy. I got 2 18 count eggs. These were $4.48. Fabulous buy. So I picked those up. We will be having deviled eggs for Christmas dinner. I had a pack of flour tortillas. Somehow one of the kids left them open in the pantry and they were hard as a rock. So I did pick up another package of the soft tortillas. I think we will be doing a soft taco salad, basically. We kind of fry these up. I may use my air fryer. I'm not sure. I'll show you that in a minute. I did get an air fryer for Christmas and we are loving that. I picked up a large bag of the French's crispy fried onions. These are awesome on salads. This is a really good deal. This entire bag was $6. It's also really good on soup. So, and then again, Christmas Day, I will be making green bean casserole. Picked up some of the McCormick brown gravy. This is the first time I've actually purchased this way. I typically buy just the individual packs, and then when I started seeing this on other hauls, I became very intrigued. This makes a lot of gravy, and I just like keeping this because I use this for roast and some other things. So I went ahead and picked one of those up. I picked up 2 packages of the spinach and ricotta ravioli. These will make a really good dinner. 2 meals for us, or a meal and a half, and then a meal for Mattia at another time. So we will be having these this week with some sausages on the side. I was kind of disappointed in this, but Ashton will love it, so I guess it's an okay purchase. I picked this up because it said gourmet, and then I know it said Hunter Mix nuts, but I just thought this was a bunch of different nuts, but instead it is just one of those mixes with like the sesame sticks and things like that. Yeah, and I'm not a big fan. So yeah, anyway, Ashton will like that, but I was a bit disappointed because I thought, wow, that is a great purchase if this is all of the nuts, and I guess you can see the sesame sticks. I just wasn't thinking, so I did get that. I picked up a roasted chicken. Actually, this will make about 3 meals. Whatever I have left of this, I freeze, or I just make a quick soup with. $4.98 for a whole rotisserie chicken. Really good. We just make sandwiches with this or just eat it for lunches. I did pick up some 4-pepper turkey breast just for some sandwiches this week to take to work. They had this entire huge package. This is the rolls that I use. I'll always say I made homemade bread or homemade rolls, and everybody at work is like, how do you have time to do that? And I'm like, well, they're frozen and you thaw them out, but they are fabulous. We even use these for little turkey sandwiches, or I will use them for some warm chicken sandwiches. And there's 60 rolls in this bag. It was a little over $6. So great buy. Picked up a container of our tomatoes. We really missed being able to get these at Sam's. I do not like what I get at Costco. Every time I bought them at Costco, they don't last, and they do last better at Sam's. So we just cut these up, salt and pepper, eat them for lunch. Got a package of the beef kielbasa. This is several in here. I do have a box of some Spanish rice as well. So just another meal idea. I got some of the Panera broccoli cheddar soup. Love this. When I go to Panera for lunch, I actually just get a cup with a roll, and it's like with a water. It's like $8. It's ridiculous. This whole entire thing was $7. It's a 2-pack, and they're pretty big containers. So that's like 4 times your money right there. So I will even take that for lunch. Picked up this huge bag, box of the Pilgrims, the chicken breast tenderloins. I did get my air fryer for Christmas, and I thought this would be a good alternative. We do chicken wraps. We make these and cut them up and put them on salads. We just do a lot of different things with them. So I did get those. And then again, our coffee creamer. Excellent, excellent buy. This was $6. That makes these $3 each for these large bottles. Caramel macchiato, French vanilla. Cannot get it this cheap at Aldi or even Walmart. Picked up a large bag of the beef jerky. This whole thing, when I buy this Jack Links at Walmart, it runs between 12 and 14 bucks. And this at Sam's today was $7. Goodbye. Used to get these for Mattia. It was a surefire way that he knew it was vacation time. This just signified vacation for my kids. He's going to be excited. He absolutely loves these. So he's like, oh, signifies vacation. We will be on vacation the week of Christmas. We'll all be home. So I guess we can just say that's for vacation. But this used to be his favorite. And then I picked up this large pack of the toilet paper. It is the best kind out there. It is our favorite. So grabbed that. That is what we got from Sam's, and I will be seeing you guys soon.